guys, today it is Awsome Aly and my brother from
Fusion Nightmares.
And today we're going to be doing, we're going to be showing you all of our fidget spinners.
2016, boys.
Julian, you can start off.
Alright, so let's start off with, where's Goldilocks? No, let's start off with Throwing Star. So, our first fidget spinner here is our Throwing Star fidget spinner. This thing has super sharp edges, if you can tell right there, super sharp. It's got that nice golden color and has some like green gem in the middle. Oh, where's the camera thingy? Oh crap. If you can see right here, there's a green gem. Don't think you can see, but there's a green gem in the middle right here. But yes, it spins pretty decently. Spins pretty long, and it's an overall really sick looking fidget spinner and awesome fidget. On to the next one.
This is our next fidget spinner. It is the fidget spinner that my brother calls the Beast, because we always play games with the fidget spinner, and this one automatically wins every time. And this thing has been coming off today. You can't really see it, but that is loose. Yeah, the cap's loose. And this one spins really fast, and it's smooth too. This one's my brother's. This is probably like his favorite one, because it goes
That's my first
the faster.
favorite fidget spinner. And we got this one right here. But yeah, whenever we do our competitions with our fidget spinners,
wins.
this one wins. Spins the longest every single time. I will be back in 1 second. Allie, you continue.
This one is a fidget spinner that you can plug in and it listens to music. And this one does not spin that fast.
It's a Bluetooth fidget spinner.
Yeah, it's just Bluetooth one. This is a pink one.
Right here we got our pink fidget spinner.
It spins pretty fast.
I
think it's like the fourth fast
pretty
one.
good. Love the little lunar shape you get here on the fidget spinner right there. It looks pretty sick. But yep, it's a pretty awesome spinner. Spins pretty well. Awesome color, awesome detail. Yeah.
This is the next one. It is a red one. I just got this one today. It's pretty shiny. When you see it in the camera, it's pretty shiny. And this one is a loud one, but it spins fast. And why I got this one was because it's so bright, and I just love how it shines usually when you put it in the light. This is my favorite one.
Alright, next one. You guys probably saw me playing with it in the background, but two-armed fidget. Pretty cool.
It glows in the dark too.
It does glow in the dark. It spins really well. You just have to keep it in an angle. Like, if you put it on the floor, see, it just spins out of control. If you put it straight like this, it doesn't spin that well. But, like, there's some angles where you can get it perfect, like this angle right here. It spins pretty well. And yeah, overall, just a cool fidget spinner. You don't see a lot of the two arms a lot, so yep.
This is a white one that my brother got me, and look at it. This is the best fidget spinner ever. Not. So fast, right? Yeah, so fast.
The thing is, we have to get some, I don't know what it's called, but
we need to get a bigger top.
No, you have to get something and
Just doesn't
just
spin.
put it inside of here, because I don't know what it's called, or Papa does.
Yeah, it's not that
But
good.
it makes it spin faster, so yep. Let me see which one we are going to do next. I'm going to do the cube. Alright, so next up I have got our fidget cube. Yes, I know we said it was going to be a fidget spinners. Nope, we have our fidget cube here. Has pretty sick base color is black, as you can see. Base color is black. Then it has the red detailed color. And yes, it has the little thing up on the top, like you're playing for PS4. Got your little spiral spinner thingy. Switch, your buttons, your ball, and then your things, and then your you know, your little pad part. Alright, Allie, on to the fidget spinner.
This one is like my fastest one yet. This little cap is falling off, but I put it back on. Spins, it's decent. But the only thing that I really like about this one is the green that is so bright. And the silver too. It's really bright too.
It's gold.
Oh yeah, it's gold. And usually when you put it on your finger, it falls off because it's heavy. It's a heavy one. But I like this one.
Alright. Next up, I'm gonna bring both of them. We have got isn't there 2 more? I thought I got 4 of them. No. Well, next up we have 2 of these. All black, base color black, detailed color black, just black fidget spinner. It's not the best spinner in the world because I did win it at Dave & Buster's. If you can hear that sound, that is like an uh-oh sound right there. But yes,
sounds like it's gonna break.
We have 2 of them right here. I mean, honestly, if you look at them, they look pretty sick. Yeah. Alright, Allie, on to your fidget spinner.
Here comes this one. Had a lot of problems in it, a lot of gluing. You can see that if you can see it in the camera. There's a lot of glues right there, and the cap fell off, but we couldn't find it. I think
Story time, maybe? Should I tell the story of what happened?
no.
I think I should.
But we should tell that in another video. So I think he was playing with it, then it just fell off. I have no clue.
Let me see that real quick. Okay, story time. So, I bought this fidget spinner with I think it may have been my own money. Maybe, probably not. But I bought it at our local mall, the Hills Mall. Bought it from there, and I was all, oh my god, this fidget spinner's sick. I mean, it looks pretty cool. The gold.
Before it didn't have the cap missing. It was like a normal fidget spinner.
So I was playing with it here, and I was just spinning it, and then one of these like bearing things right here fell out. The golden ones that just flew out. I couldn't find it. And then the other one flew out. Couldn't find it. And then the other one flew out. I couldn't find it. So all 3 of them flew out, and I couldn't find them. And so
story time.
we had to glue them on, and then next thing we know, freaking cap falls off, and this is the spinner we have today.
And I have 2, and this one is it's the party maker. Oh, it's the wrong way.
That's the wrong way, and you flip it, do a 360, and it does the exact same thing.
This one is a bright one. When you turn the lights off,
no, I will not. Just kidding. Yes, I will turn the lights off.
And then you can see. Party! Turn them back on.
Spin it. No, spin them.
Then it makes a cool shape.
And hold up, Allie. Let me see it. Let me see it. Don't turn the lights off. It has 3 different modes. This one right here, just blinking fast. You can touch it. Oh, this one's like dying. Touch it, and it has a different. There you go. One more. This one's pretty sick too. Alright, Allie, you can turn on the lights. Haha, I scared you there, didn't I? Alright, my turn. So, here we have our camo spinners. We have our red and black camo spinners. Pretty sick. Spin really well, honestly. Me and Allie both have our own, I'm pretty sure.
Mine says my name on it. Julian doesn't have his name because
yes, this one is mine.
His name will not fit.
And it is an awesome spinner. If you can, oh crap! If you can hear this sound, like, whew, listen to that. That is sick. But yes, these are our camo spinners.
This is the next spinner. It is my brother's. This one is a great spinner. It's just like, bam. It's a good working one. Stop it. This one is smooth. Like, you cannot hear it at all. Put it in the comments and tell us if you can hear that.
Alright. This is what got us into our fidget game. This spinner right here.
That was our first one.
This was our first fidget spinner ever.
So
Alright.
then we decided to make a box of them. We just decided to get more and more.
But
we really don't play with them a lot.
Yeah, our mom bought us this one, and we were all, oh my god, these things are awesome, and then we just kept ordering and ordering and ordering them.
We didn't buy them. We bought some with our own money.
Yes, I bought them, Allie.
This one is This one's mine, and it has something loose right there. It spins good. I love this one. Like, this is, I think, my fourth favorite one.
Oh, she's
And-
sweet but psycho.
That is it.
No, it isn't. I have one in my hand, girl.
Oh, yeah,
Last
this
but
one.
not least, wait, did we go over the black one? Did we go over this one?
Yep.
Oh, you just did, didn't you? Alright, so we have kind of look like to that one. We've got white, different colored ones. I don't know if you can see that. We've got red, green, blue. But yes, this one always gets like second or third. Oh crap! Top
5th place.
top 5 when we do our spin-offs. Overall, great spinner, really clean spinner, and yeah.
And that's it.
And yes, that is it. So, guys,
We'll see you next time.
wow, way to end off the video. Way to promote your channel. No, guys, subscribe to this girl. She's awesome. I love her. Mwah. Probably just embarrassed her.
Subscribe and hit the bell.
Mhm.
And
Don't forget to turn on turn on post notifications is the bell. Like this video. Leave a comment down below.
if you like it or not.
Basically what she just said. And haha, Allie, subscribe to my channel too. Fusion Nightmares all the way. Picture of a blue wolf up on the front. It will not be that for long because I am changing it once my 90 days expire because I'm changing clans. And yes, I will tell you that story on my channel. Peace out, guys. Have a great day.
And we'll see you all next time. Bye.
Bye bye.